Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my Petula favorites. So I have a lot of stuff to show you guys because I have so many favorites. But starting off with sizing for sports bras and any sort of tops, I wear a size medium, and then in all bottoms I am a small. So that's consistent across the board. I think that everything is very true to size with that sizing. So in some other companies I'm a small in tops. I do size up to the medium in Petula. So consistently medium in sports bras and tops, consistently smalls in all bottoms, leggings, shorts, sweatpants, whatever it is. So let's get right into it. The very first thing I'm going to show you guys is actually what I'm wearing. This is the MANDI hoodie. I am obsessed with this. I wear this all the time. This is the full length version. It is so soft. It has this little Petula detailing right here. The little strings are ribbon, which is so cute. But this is like the softest, most comfortable sweatshirt in the whole entire world. So I absolutely love this. I love the full length and the cropped. It comes in a white and a cream also, so highly recommend the MANDI hoodie to start out the favorites. So I'm gonna do collections that I like, everything from the collections first. So obviously the newest fan favorite, the Plush collection. It is so freaking soft, guys. I can't even explain to you. So this is the crop. My string for the bottom actually came out in the wash because I forgot to like tie it when I put it in the washer. So that was my bad. Any advice you guys take from this, tie your string so that it doesn't come out in the wash. But still super cute. I wear it all the time. So the long sleeve crop is my absolute favorite. And then to go along with that, I do also have the joggers, which are also amazing. They're just so soft, the best like lounge comfy wear, especially if you live somewhere cold like I do. It's so good to keep you warm. And then the bottoms just have a little tie. They're just like the most amazing lounge piece, and they also make your butt look really good with the pockets on the back. I do choose to fold mine down because I think that it just fits a little bit better like that. But the whole Plush collection, I am obsessed with. The robe, the tank top, everything. And then moving on to the Bear collection, another fan favorite. The Bear collection is just unreal, guys. The fabric is so soft and silky smooth and like a second skin type of feel. We will start with the leggings. I have the leggings in the deep blue, the coral sands, which is this color, and also the purple and the gray. So I have the leggings in every single color. This is what the leggings look like. They are so stretchy, so soft and comfortable, kind of like in a line type of material if you're comparing to Lululemon. And then the front just has no front seam, which we love, obviously. They are squat proof. They fit really well. I do like HIIT and cardio in them, even though technically they wouldn't be for like that type of workout. They're more of like a lower intensity, like yoga, stretching, like an upper body day. But I do all of my workouts in them because they're so comfortable and I love them. So that would just be like personal preference for you if you wanted to do like higher intensity workouts in them or not. The first day that I wore them, they did pill a little bit, but then after I washed them, I didn't have that issue. So I don't know if it just needed to like get it out of its system after the first wash. But first day they did pill a little bit. So that is the legging. And then from the collection, I also have the sports bra. So I have this one in the coral sands. I also have it in the deep blue to match the blue leggings, but I just wanted to show you guys both colors. But this is the sports bra, same exact like silky smooth material. It's very simple, just a skinny strap RACERBACK. I would say it's not like high support. I don't have big boobs though, so I don't really have to worry about that. It is padded, has removable padding. These straps are adjustable, which is great, but again, it's just super, super comfortable. And then I also have the matching biker shorts. So this is also in the Coral Sands color. Again, no front seam in these. The logo is just on the back. I got a small in these as well. Again, same material, super stretchy, super comfortable. You're not gonna have that like sausage leg look with the bottom of these because they are so stretchy and comfortable. And I think that they hit at a really good spot. I hate long biker shorts. They just like look really weird on me. And I like that these aren't like super long. And now let's do sports bras. So again, I get all of my sports bras in a size medium. They all fit perfect, consistent across the board medium. My all-time favorite Petula sports bra, I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times on my Instagram and all my workout videos, but it is the KRISTINA sports bra. I am obsessed with this. I have it in so many colors. I want it in every single color they could ever make it in because I love it that much. The back is just what does it for me. I love a thin, strappy back, especially on like an upper body day. Just makes your back look so good. But it has like these 3 straps, and then it just goes down into like a little, I don't know what to call it, like a T back kind of thing. I don't know what you call it. But it is just so cute. It has like that little braiding detail where it all meets in the middle. And it's just the cutest sports bra ever. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so flattering from the front, from the back. I'm obsessed with these. So if you had to get one sports bra, I would definitely pick the KRISTINA sports bra. Next favorite sports bra is the ANESSA. I think that's how you say it. Sports bra. Again, I love a strappy back. That's just like kind of my thing. This one will be a little bit more supportive than the KRISTINA just because of the way that the straps are, how there's like a little bit of a thicker strap up here, and then you have multiple straps in the back to kind of like hold you up. I wouldn't say the KRISTINA is super supportive, but it is like a thicker material than the Bare, so it's more supportive than the Bare sports bra. I'm not the best to go to for like super supportive sports bras because I love like strappy, like thin sports bras, but that's just me. But again, another really cute strappy back. I absolutely love this one too. They have this one in a bunch of different colors also, so a lot of color options to match any of your leggings that you get also, but I absolutely love this one as well. Next sports bra we have is another very strappy back. So this is the CATIE bra. This is a purple and it matches the purple Bare leggings really well, so I always wear them together. But this is just how this strappy back is. Again, thin straps, probably not good for my girls with bigger boobs out there, but I absolutely love this. I think it's so flattering and cute. And then we have the SARIYA sports bra. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I'll have everything linked below. But this is what it looks like. It's in the green camo that matches the green camo Mystique legging. And then again, a strappy back. We know I love it. It's just a different little strap. This one is a little bit more supportive just because it's a double strap instead of like the CATIE bra that's a single strap. So it is a little bit more supportive, and it's that like comfy seamless material. So this one's really comfortable also. And then the last sports bra that I have on my favorites list is the ANE sports bra. So this is one that's a little bit more of a simple style. It's just a razorback. This one I would say would be more supportive than the other two, since it just has a more basic like razorback instead of like the thin strappy look. But this is in the camo Coral Sands to match the stealth legging. I absolutely love this. I love it as a matching set too. It's so comfortable. I don't know if you guys can see the detail. There you go. So the detail in this fabric is so amazing. It's really comfortable. Again, super stretchy. I absolutely love that, which leads to my all-time favorite legging, the Stealth legging. So I have these in the Coral Sands to match the Anne sports bra, and then also in the deep blue camo. But the Stealth legging, I do have to say, is my favorite legging that Petula makes. It's just all around amazing. Really good for like higher intensity. It is a thicker material than the Bare, which is why I tend to choose this one over the Bare. The waistband really sucks you in because it is thicker, but it's really stretchy. It almost has like a seamless feel to the material. It's that same material as that sports bra. You guys can see the texture in it. And these are super high-waisted, which I love. I love a high-waisted legging. Petula does have some leggings that are mid-rise or just not as high-rise as these. I love a really high-rise. That's just how I like my leggings. I know not everyone does, which is good that they have like multiple different rise options, but the Stealth, by far my favorite. So thick, sucks you in, but also you can move because it has that like more seamless type of feel. It does have a front seam, but I don't find that it like gives me camel toe or anything like that. They are squat proof. And then the logo is just on the back of the leg right there. So I think that that's a cute little detail too, instead of it being on the back like most companies do. Just makes it a little bit different. A lot of their leggings do have it on like the back of your calf instead. But if you had to buy one pair of leggings from Petula, I would definitely say to get the Stealth legging. Hands down, my all-time favorite. I want them to come out with the Stealth legging in the camo, every single color, but also just like plain, no pattern, every single color, and I would buy every single one because I love them that much. Next up for leggings is the Danielle Luxe legging. These have a like soft buttery feel to them, almost like in a line but more athletic material, like a little bit more slick. But this is the Midnight Plum color, which I think is such a pretty color. I actually don't have any other leggings that are like this color, but I love these. They are so soft. These are a higher rise, they're not a mid-rise, which I like as well. It does have a front seam, and then this one has the logo on the back, and then as you guys can see on the seams on the back, they just go up a little bit more to give a little bit more of that like booty contour look. Again, these are the 23-inch, and they are just so silky smooth, squat proof like always. These ones are a little bit more sweat proof. I forgot to go over sweat proof too. The Stealth leggings by far best for sweat if that's something that you guys are concerned about, just because of the thicker material and the camo pattern. You're not as likely to see sweat with like a patterned legging. So if you don't want to see sweat, go patterned or a dark color. But these are another favorite legging. I have a lot of favorite leggings from them because they do have so many different legging options, which I think is amazing because whatever you want, they're gonna have it. All right, next up for leggings, we have the Emily legging, which I absolutely love because of the front of it with the crisscross waistband. I love a crisscross waistband. I just think it does great things for your shape. This one does have like a top to it, and then it crisscrosses over the top. So it's great for really sucking you in because you have those extra layers of material in the front. So you have like your normal waistband here, and then you have two extra things of material right here to really help suck you in. This is the like charcoal gray color. This is more of an athletic type of material. It's more like slick. It does have a front seam, and then the back has the same seams as the other leggings. And then as you guys can see, the waist does taper in a little bit, which I like, but it doesn't taper in too much to the point where it's like cutting in on you. But these are another favorite honestly, just because of the crisscross waistband. And then this one also has the Petula legging, the Petula logo on the calf area. And then we have the ALAINAH 3 pocket legging. Again, not sure if I'm saying that name right, but this is just a pretty purple color. They are high-waisted again. And then this one just has pockets on the side. They're actually pretty deep, so you can definitely fit your phone in there if you want to put your phone in your pocket. But these are the 23-inch. They are a softer material, but these do have more compression than others. I would say if any of them to possibly size up if you're in between, I would say these are a little bit tighter. I think everything else is very true to size, but these can be a little bit on the tighter side since they are like a very compressive material. It's really soft though, and the waistband is really thick as well. And then last up for favorite leggings are the Shelby legging. So this is the Shelby legging. This is in like a green color. So sorry they're a little wrinkly. I had them folded up with all my other leggings. But the reason why I like these so much is because of the seams on the front. They like bring in your legs like that, and I just think that is a really flattering look, a nice little detail. These ones are a little bit thinner and more silky, kind of more like the Danielle Luxe, I would say, closer to that type of material. These are also high-waisted. All the leggings that I'm showing you guys are high-waisted. I generally don't go for any of the mid-rise ones just because I don't feel as comfortable in them. I do have a couple of them, but I prefer to wear like a longer shirt with them just because I don't like when my whole stomach shows. So if I'm wearing a sports bra to the gym, then I prefer the high-waisted. But these are another favorite. Super soft and smooth material, kind of like in a line-ish type. The seams in the back are the same with the little rise booty contour. And then the Petula logo is on the leg. Let me find it. There it is. So this one is just like a little silver one. So that is it for the leggings. And last up is this little jacket. It is a more like athletic, like tight jacket that you would wear to the gym. I like wearing this over my workout outfit, my sports bra, and my leggings when it's like springtime, fall time. And I can just throw this on if it's like a little bit chilly out on the way to the gym. It has a big hood. It'll be easier to tell on the try on how it looks, but it is tight. It's really flattering. It's almost like a little bit cropped too, which I think is flattering because if you want to show your booty off, you can still see your booty. It's not going to cover. But it is just really cute. It has all of the lines on the side to really accentuate your waist. And in this jacket, I actually got a size small and it does fit me. So I got a small in this one for like a tighter kind of look, but it is super cute. And I like this light gray color because it goes with everything. It goes with any of your gym outfits that you want to wear. So that is it. Those are all of my Petula favorites. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys so that you guys could see my favorites and shop Petula if you guys want to try it out. I do have a support code with Petula, so my code is KELS. I'll put it on the screen here. It is a support code, not a discount code. It just shows them that I sent you, and it just helps with my relationship with the brand. I don't get anything out of it. I don't get paid or anything like that. It just helps show that I'm sending people their way. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about Petula or any of the pieces, then just comment them down below and I will answer them there. But thank you again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one.